Straight out of Diamond Style Production.
If you love me, pray for me. Pray for me. If you hate, be afraid of me. I'm tryna pass all the shit that's facing me. Yeah, come on, I'm tryna be what I'm made to be. Yo, I came into the game to renovate, and this is too great to translate. If you put my flow on accelerate, then I'll sound like I'm on my best day. I am lightweight, but I'm higher grade. I will terminate all the renegades. For goodness sake, no breastplates. Get ready like it does menstruate. I am burning for certain, I am perfectly learning. I'm inserting the working whilst I'm eating beats and bursting. Bursting as I burst in, I just accidentally hurt them. I curved in like nerd shit, confirming all of my verses. I'm hurting this beat, you can believe by the way you're screaming. This superhuman being in beat, I'm undefeated. Their team is shit, they're cheating, so I deserve a free kick. Unleashing the demon inside of me, I'll stop them breathing. I'm a mastermind when I rhyme in time to the beat too tight. On the mic I was born to shine and represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys. Like a murderer guy, I make a perfect crime. I'm mastermind. I'm a mastermind when I rhyme in time to the beat too tight. On the mic I was born to shine and represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys. Like a murderer guy, I make a perfect crime. I'm mastermind. I'm undefeated. See, some people are teaching me a few things to keep myself strong. They're believing in me. When I'm releasing on beats, I'm doing it dramatically, and it's not about fame. It's to see who's backing me. I want loyalty, respect, but it's hard to find. I know some snakes in this game. They want to hate this guy. They want to hear me cry. They want to see me die. But when they hear this song, they might press rewind. I'm too cold on this beat, I might get the scene freezing. Then give me a reason to keep it all in pieces. I am not the type of guy that is known to start wars. I'm the type of guy that's known to leave them loose and sore. With my lyrics I'm banging, you cannot match the way I'm rapping. See, I do me, you do you, that is why you're slacking. You can never pull me down, so try it harder. But if you go too far, I'll beat you like you did Rihanna. I'm a mastermind when I rhyme in time to the beat too tight. On the mic I was born to shine and represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys. Like a murderer guy, I make a perfect crime. I'm mastermind. I'm a mastermind when I rhyme in time to the beat too tight. On the mic I was born to shine and represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys. Like a murderer guy, I make a perfect crime. I'm mastermind. Do not ever doubt me, cause I know how to bust that thing. Get me a box and a shovel so I can lay you 6 feet deep. But I don't ever want to do that, I'm trying to be trouble free. See, my life is too stressful, I just want to live in peace. I quit doing them bad things, I am cleaner than ever now. You road, you cannot fuck with this kid like a pedophile. I'm proud to be Nobelistas, URP, we're making the best sounds. Now listen very carefully as I upgrade my flow now. Now get ready for this, faster flow kicking in, but they didn't think I could hit like this. I'm sicker than sick, this is me's a risk, and I'm relaxed when I flow like taking a piss. I'm a fearless kid, guess what man, I'm hot now. I'm on top so flashing shot clouds. Now watch out, to darken your life. I'm Phily D and I'm a fucking young mastermind. As I rhyme in time with these vocals, up on the mic with the right to be boastful. Man, I'm so cool, you're too corny. You got a girl but you can't get it horny. Surely I don't need to clown the clowns ever. Dumb shits, you really think you can ever be this clever? Nah, never. I'm a mastermind when I rhyme in time to the beat too tight. On the mic I was born to shine and represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys. Like a murderer guy, I make a perfect crime. I'm mastermind. I'm a mastermind when I rhyme in time to the beat too tight. On the mic I was born to shine and represent my crew. You are here. Nobody wanna mess with my guys. Like a murderer guy, I make a perfect crime. I'm mastermind.